Welcome back. Today we're going to continue to work on the chunked uploader, and today we're going to focus on actually understanding why the MD5 hashing fails. Yeah, I watched through yesterday's video and I noticed that there is a function for calculating the MD5 hash, and then we can print out what our uploader actually has as a MD5, which would be very nice for debugging. So MD5 check true. I wouldn't recommend to turn off the MD5 check unless it's really impacting your performance. Proceed at your own risk. Right, so there's here the MD5 check, and we will override that. All right. Now we are going to views and chunked uploader. Awesome. So let's see. And now I just want to add both MD5s, right? Okay, very cool. Let's see if this works. Let's go to localhost. And then downloads. Upload, complete. Right. And now we have a bad request because MD5 hash map does not. Okay, they are literally different. Like, what the hell? Yeah, so that's obviously awkward. Okay, let's also add this here. Let's check again our function for calculating the MD5 hash. So we calculate the chunks. We create our MD5, we have a reader, and then we update based on reader result. Right? So that's all we do. Maybe if we do that, does that change anything? I mean, it should be similar, right? Like, that's not that hard. Okay, it still fails. Awesome. And now we get a completely different hash. API client. Views. Chunked upload MD5 and the other MD5. But this looks suspiciously like the other one, right? So we uploaded a completely different file and he just returns every time the same thing. So yeah. That's obviously an issue, right? Because that should not happen. So I think it's in the front end somewhere, the issue. So let's see, backend, API client, custom chunked upload button. So somehow this is wrong, right? So crypto.js MD5 of file. Read as binary string, okay. So they just put it in a different order. Very weird. Like, I also would like expect that you get a very simple function call, but apparently not. Okay. Let's try that. So instead of calculating everything, just do this, and we will just use the file. Come on. Right. And then we turn MD5. Okay, so I also don't want to use that anymore. Pass. And he still wants a string, so var reader onload, okay. And then we do reader onload. Save. Reader.result, I guess. Type null is not assignable. Okay, we have this issue again. Because it could be null, I have to do it like that. Okay. And then return. Okay, read. Whatever. Read as binary file, and then that returns a void. Yeah, I just want to get the result. Like, what the hell? Reader dot. No, that's wrong. I want this thing. Expected one argument but got 0. I mean, I already have defined it. Like, what the hell? Okay, so let's check this out if this now works. Oh, reload. Okay, that didn't even upload. No. Alright, so now it just didn't calculate anything. Awesome. Yeah, this API is like complete dog shit. I don't get it. Localhost. So the problem is that we don't actually wait until reader is finished, right? And we now somehow have to figure out how to do that. Reader. Call the function draw map or any other function only after you have received the data. Those within callback if you want to access this map later. Yeah, I know. Okay, let's do onload end, I guess. Yeah, it's all a bit blurry. Bad request, bad request, bad request. I will only try this for half an hour, and if that doesn't work, then I will just do something different. Hey, could you please just execute this? Thanks. Okay, so does this now work? Probably not. So let's do this again. Okay, I forgot to reload. Let's do that. Okay. I don't get it, man. Okay, so let's check out calculate. I want a MD5 React. Wahai. I will now remove that. Save. Reload. Yeah, so the thing is with these APIs that I usually only have a problem with these APIs because there aren't any reading length. Lol. Like, how does this happen, man? Of course, alert isn't in the unloaded, so it's called immediately. You may do that. You cannot wait or stop the execution of your code. Amazing. So now everything is complicated again. Okay, so temporary file reader, onload, read as text, yes. Okay, and then I need to unload, right. Oh, this can be null. Okay, well, I don't care. If okay, so now I have a promise that I return, I guess. So that's fun. Promise unknown. Okay, that's stupid. Okay. So now we have a promise that still returns unknown, so I can just ignore that, whatever. And yeah, so how did I do that up here? Oh man. Okay, I did an async somewhere. Yeah, here, async. So this is argument of type unknown is not assignable to parameter string blob. Yeah, so why do you think this is safe that this is unknown? So that's the next big thing. It is definitely a string. Like, why do you say unknown? Oh man. Okay, let's see. Promise known how to fix. Actually, the reason is not that promise unknown was assignable to promise string. When you assign a new promise to where string is expected, yes, we'll figure out a new promise. Okay. So I will save. Okay. Easy. All right. Maybe this will work, probably not, because why not? Ooh, 500. Gets more and more fun. Oh damn, it worked! Oh, I just had to wrap everything in an MD5. Okay. So now we have different errors. And one to do is done. Awesome, save. Alright, so now we have the issue that uploaded file object has no attribute get uploaded file. Right, that is true. Because we using now chunked upload. On finish. Okay, I don't need that any longer. Okay, save. So uploaded file dot get uploaded file is empty. What? Uploaded file has no attribute. I'll get uploaded. What the heck? On completion. Okay, it is already an uploaded file. So I guess I can just do that. Save. Alright, so let's see. Okay, still an error. Uploaded file object has no attribute delete. That is also true. Delete the chunked upload. Yeah. So that's then obviously a to-do. To do. Complete. Oh, all right. So let's check this out. Let's go to pictures. So where should they be? They should be on under data, right? So let's go to media, uploads, 1. That's from a couple of days ago, and then we have none. And that does not look right. God damn it. Okay, let's upload another one. So we have something with 0 bytes. Oh no. Console. So we fixed one thing and got new errors. Fun. Let's go to, where is it? Data / media, and then all right. So the first problem is that user ID is not there. So that's one thing we have to fix. So maybe it's just request.user. Don't know. Save. Complete. Okay, now we got an error. Internal server error. Awesome. No such file as uploads non-blob. Okay. So request user is a blob. Weird. Okay, so I will add this then. And then we'll fix that. Save. Okay, so now we should have fixed one thing. Uploaded file is not really a file. I think what we also can do is just, I don't know. It probably also has something to do with the chunked uploads that are like everywhere. So now I have a blob here. Complete is done. All right. So we fixed definitely the one thing that we added, that it now saves in the right folder. But uploaded file is empty. Okay. Empty file. All right, I will take a short break and then I will be back. Okay. So the issue we're now having is that we just get this empty blob thing. And that's weird, right? Because we want to use like photo.name and that should contain the uploaded file. But the uploaded file is empty. So let's check out the code again. On completion, append chunk. Self.outside plus chunk size. Okay, get uploaded file. Self.file close. Open RB. Return uploaded file. Alright, I will clean out the chunked upload folder. CD protected media and then sudo rm chunked. Okay, very cool. So maybe it's just like old files that are flying around. So we now should have a thing. So now it's called at least something more plausible. But if I go to media, does it upload right? Yes, it's 1.8 megabytes. Oh man, like, so it obviously worked, but not correctly, I guess. Oh man, so yeah, I don't know. On completion. Let's go here. And then if we go to demo and then view, on completion, do something with the uploaded file, e.g. store the uploaded file on another model, pass it as an argument to a function. Right. So uploaded file. Do I have to think about anything? File Django. Name, size, content type, chunks, read. Reads the entire upload from the file and then I get what? Do I get anything back? Name, alright. Char set, content type. Read the entire uploaded data from the file. If the upload file is huge, it can overwhelm your system. Alright. So, photo.read. So technically this should work, I think. Okay, so it renamed it to the photo hash because the uploaded file has the name blob. So that's something we should fix. We want the original file name, obviously. uploaded file should be named like the original file. Right. Yeah, really fiddly, the whole thing. At least we are moving along. Okay, so let's check this out again. I have to think a bit. I think there was like a general upload folder for these things. Chunked upload path, right. So if I now go back here, okay, if everything is okay, we'll respond with 200 and the data should return a get response data if any. Okay. Upload to be used in the model's file field until completion. So upload path we have defined, upload to we haven't defined yet. Maybe that's the issue. So it's upload path, instance upload ID dot path. Yes. Okay. Okay, in the chunked upload complete view, the class post method, this opens the upload file, returns on completion user method. This prevents me from moving the uploaded file to a separate database model as the file was open. You can close the file. So here is it uploaded file.file. Alright, so maybe I just have to do that. Okay, so let's see, directory watcher, views. Awesome. Save. So let's see if this works. No, it errors out. Response. File not found. No such file protected media uploads, one protected media chunked uploads. Okay, that's different. Retry a sudo. Okay, it still can find it under protected media uploads 1, protected media chunked uploads temp. Okay. I don't know why the files are wrong at all. It's like kind of stupid. Uploads 1. Protected media chunked uploads. Okay, we now at least have a working file here, so that's nice. So uploaded to really was the issue. But now the field is completely broken. And the name is obviously broken. So I think I will now fix the name. That should be easier. Views, and then we have here temp. So it's a content file and then save. But we want get the file name. So this only creates the first chunked upload. Oh man. Yeah, he just puts that in there without any reconciliation, so I don't know. It's really weird, you know. So I need these, but yeah, the thing is, as soon as I add like base data, it will just complain. Like if I use media root, he just doesn't want to upload, right? So yeah, then he just says suspicious file operation. And like that's an issue. Like that's really an issue, because if I can't have a straight So what the hell did he fix? And if I say just chunked uploads, where do we save this then? It wouldn't make any sense that he tries to save this then in protected media, to be honest. So this should be now saved somewhere in the container. Cannot file, no such file or directory uploads one, chunked uploads. He still pretends like, so we defined protected uploads one, obviously, but he still puts the chunked uploads behind that because why not? So if I remove that, does it then magically work, or? So now it uses the other default, right? So that's also wrong. So I have to override it. Save. Now it did work. 200. Let's see. So if I do now F5 and then go to so here we have now the chunked uploads. And if I now go to uploads and 1, I have an empty file. Ah! Why? So that didn't fix shit. Okay, so whatever. So the issue is that uploaded file is just empty for whatever reason. And I can't tell you why that is. Save. Okay, technically worked. It practically didn't, because it just writes an empty file. Okay, let's try again. A byte select object is required. Okay. Do I have to do the photo seek 0 thing again? I will just try that. Because like the hash gets calculated, and so that could be the reason. Right, so the hash here gets uploaded. Okay. All right, very cool. So now it works. I just have a lot of issues now. So the file name isn't correct. That's an issue. That's really an issue. So I think I will just put that in the request. Because otherwise that's stupid. Yeah. Chunked upload button. Okay, so we have the user, and then I want form data append file name. Yes. All right, so let's do file name equals. Yep. Very cool. Save. Let's pick that one. Oh no, it failed. Join argument must be string bytes or okay. Not non-type. Why is this a non-type? I thought that I have added that. Maybe I just didn't reload. Let's hope that that's the case. Chunked uploader, where are you? There we go. So file.name should be definitely a file. Okay, upload. Yes. Yeah, it looks now fine. Woo! All right. So now the next test is uploading multiple images. So that also works. But I think one upload failed, right? Where is it? Here we go. Internal server error. Operational error. Okay, deadlock detected. All right. Sometimes it fails, I guess. But for the most part it works. Yeah. So I still don't know where it gets the thing from, the uploaded to thing, but I will just accept that, I guess. But I will read through that again, because I think the same value gets used twice somehow. Alright, let's go to models. So this value here gets used on, right, chunked upload choices, no, upload 2, right? And upload 2 is also chunked upload 2. But we never set upload 2, I think. It's like really all over the place. Chunked upload 2. So we set the path once, but we never set this thing here. I think I will just add protected media here. Let's hope that that works. Path. Join. Okay. In order for that to work, I obviously have to clean out the upload folder again. So let's go to, okay, we're already in protected media. So let's go here, uploads, sudo rm. Very cool. So that should work, and then I also have like protected media ls, okay, sudo rm, okay, cd dot dot, sudo rm protected media, okay. Alright, he saved a lot of things directly into protected media, which is interesting. And let me guess, I can't delete them. Of course. Of course. So here we have chunked uploads. We want to save in chunked uploads, right? So that's correct. Sudo rm chunked uploads. Chunked uploads. Okay, cool. So let's check if this works. Log in. No connection to the backend server. What the heck is happening? Alright, let's do the first force recreate of the day. Alright. I think we're getting there, right? So maybe until the end of the week I have all my to-dos done. And we actually have this feature, which would be nice. I also can then remove the large request body thing in proxy, which is also great. What is happening? What's happening? What's happening? Chunked upload. Oh no. I did something wrong in settings. Like that. So do you now work? No changes detected. Awesome. Yeah. A lot of small things we have to fix. A lot of small things. I also really don't like that I can't delete them. Like, why? Because these files probably get never closed, that's the reason. Okay, let's see. I want them to be under... How? Like, why is it in here? Oh man. Something is completely off. So why does he already assume that he is in protected media? That doesn't make any sense. Right? Media root. Why do you assume that, man? Yeah, so that makes sense. We say to him, hey, bruh, we here. And that makes also sense. But the rest doesn't make any sense. I think I have to start a new database to see if this really works. LibrePhotos.env. No, just env. So we have it here, 9, save. Okay, that's good. Then I can close this because it's probably that the path gets set once when we migrate, and then he applies the same path again. Like, I don't. That's the thing that I don't get, right? So that doesn't make any sense. Let's cancel that. CD LibrePhotos Docker and then fish and then force recreate. But I now can remove the proxy thing. I don't need that any longer. Save. Yeah, I fixed a couple of issues. We can now probably upload large files. One issue that we have that he currently starts all the files at the same time, which can lead to a deadlock, as we saw, which isn't great. So we probably want to queue them up. But yeah, all in all, we're definitely we're definitely moving in the right direction. Okay. Maybe I have also maybe I also have to check out the demo again. Demo. Views. Models. Yeah, I want to set just the upload to and not the other thing. Right. So now it booted up. We should now have an empty system. Admin. Right, so now we're just going to upload one image at a time. Complete. So if I now refresh, we should see an image. Like, okay, that's broken. Is that timestamp? No. But he should handle the image. So now we have here our upload just now, so that's good. And if we go to, no, it's still protected media chunked uploads. It just assumes that it's in protected media, like, that's a kind of confusing, to be honest. Let's hope that it stays that way. Yeah, so let's go to settings. Oh no, the other settings. Libre photos, and then we have own photos, and then we have settings.py, right. Retry as sudo. So we have fixed that. Fixed. Still hasn't added the photos. That's weird. Okay, let's look into the logs. Maybe there's something off. Uploads, and here we have the upload, right? So let's see, data, logs. 19 megabytes of logs. Awesome. Alright, so handle new image. Cannot assign simple lazy object. Okay, photo owner must be user instance. That is an issue. So views.py. Alright, we have request.user. Lol. That's obviously wrong. User. Save. Yeah, to do delete the chunked upload. A lot of to-dos still to be done. Alright, let's log again. Let's do that. Complete. And if we now go to timestamp. Yeah, here we go. It is added now. So it's now at protected media uploads 1 pixels Pluto, and then the JPEG thingy. All right. That is exactly what I wanted. That's pretty good. I think I will now do a couple of commits, and then I will call it a day. I still have a lot of things to do, right? Check the JWT token maybe. Delete the upload, chunked upload things. We want a little progress bar and stuff like that. But I think the big thing is now done. Oh, and we have to queue them up, the uploads, and do not make them parallel. That's also a thing. No. Chunked upload button. To to do do the uploads one after another and not in parallel. Okay. Right, and we also have to do check if the upload already exists via the hash of the file. Right. Because obviously that's a thing. Because we have like this hash function in the backend. And then we can just check it and throw the hash there and then say, hey, do you have this file, yes or no? And then we can just skip this upload, right? And this will obviously be a nice optimization. So 5 points we have to do here. 2 points that we have to do in the back end. Oh no, we also have to do the settings, right? So in settings, the upload thing is still broken. So 6 to-do points. Yeah, to-do, fix this, right? Okay, that sounds to me like 3 or 4 hours of more work to be done. Yeah, and then I will probably find new issues. Yeah, but it's really fun that it's starting to work now. So, alright, let's do a couple of commits. What do we have here? Right, so that's obviously the first commit. New dependency. cd libre photos front end, and then we do a git commit add crypto.js to package. Then we have the API client. All right. Git commit add CSRF token by default in Axios. All right, and then we have the chunked upload button. Stage changes. Git commit create a new chunked upload button. And then stage changes. Git commit change from upload button to chunked upload button. Oh, and we also have to create a setting, right? So it's probably site-wide, so the admin can set it, and we also want like a environment variable where you can just add a state and then you can never ever set this. All right, because like some people really don't want that because they just want a read-only thing. All right, so this is obviously still in progress. Then we have this thing, cd libre photos. Then I want stage changes, git commit add chunked upload to requirements. stage changes, git commit configure chunked uploads, and then I have these functions, stage changes, git commit, add chunked upload functions, and then git commit add new URL endpoints for chunked uploads. Right. Alright, so now we also have to set this stage changes cd cd libre photo docker git commit remove large client max body size. We don't need that anymore because the chunked uploader sends only small chunks. Alright, cool. So these are now all our commits. I think after the next stream I will add these to as like VIP branches to the general UI, to the general repo, and then people can try it out if they want to. And yeah, I think at the end of the week I will have this whole thing done. And I think this will be a great feature. A lot of people want that. 13 thumbs up in the repo, so it's going to be awesome. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching. If you like my videos, leave a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also support me on GitHub sponsors, which helps me out a lot. And yeah, if you found a bug, leave a comment. Alright, see you next time. Bye!